Here are the top 3 reasons why investing in real estate is better than investing in crypto. So if you are a conservative person, the number 1 reason to invest in real estate over crypto is because it's safer. It's something tangible. You have it. It's not as volatile. So, like Bitcoin can go from 60,000 to 40,000 in a period of a couple days or a week. Your real estate's just not going to do that. The second reason is there's no mystery to it. So a lot of people, have this idea of Bitcoin. It's like this weird computer thing. You don't really understand, again, you can't really see it or tangible. You can lose your code. There's all this mystery behind investing in crypto. So that is the second reason. And the last reason, the biggest reason, the most important reason in my opinion, is the tax benefits. So real estate investing is going to give you tax benefits that no stock or crypto investment is going to give you. So if you make a lot of money in the stock market or in crypto, you're going to pay a lot of gains. With real estate, you can offset some of those with depreciation and other tax benefits for providing housing to people.